series, and since this is our 20th year in business, we decided to do the anniversary series. So with both the KX-R and MX-Rs, we basically kept the chassis and the transformers. Everything else inside is new with them. So we went through, in the KX-R's case, we have to save my voice.
Yeah.
We have a brand new power supply to begin with. We call the airlock power supply. It has more than twice the capacitance of the old power supply, plus a new way of doing all the regulations for the voltage rails. There's a new, this has the diamond output stage in it. The amplifiers have what we call a double diamond output stage, which is
the MXR.
The MXRs.
So have you done the same thing for the VXR?
The VXR will get that next.
It will get that next.
Yeah.
Time for Munich, perhaps.
Yeah, should be definitely in time for Munich. These will be finished in about a month, and then once these are finished, we just relay out the board for the VXR. So the work's all done here, and we just have to do the new board layout for the VXR. So we'll do that, but they'll all get that same thing where they keep the chassis and the transformer, and then everything else is changed. So anyone who owns an old product can have it completely updated, because we kept the same chassis. But we went really to the top level on all the parts quality in every critical spot. And the double diamond output stage is something no one's done before. It's a completely new design that's based on the diamond, but produces less heat, so that we can, it gets quite warm in the others. And with this at 300 watts, there's no way we can use the diamond in that chassis and really dissipate the heat enough. So Charlie and Ariel have been working for the last 3 months on the double diamond output, and it's pretty phenomenal. So, yeah, the KX-R is shipping, actually the first one's shipping today.
The preamplifier is shipping today?
Yeah, the preamplifier is shipping.
And the monos in about a month?
Yeah, about a month and a half, sometime in that range.
Did you do anything with the prices?
Yes, the prices are quite a bit higher.
Quite a bit?
Yeah, so it's about 50% higher for the preamp, and it'll be about the same on this.
Yeah.
So with the products, approximately 20% of it is inflation, because those have been out for 8 years now. This has been out for 6 years now with no price change. So there's a little bit of inflation, but most of it is just an increased parts quality in all the critical areas. When we came out with these, it was the most expensive thing we've done, and we were a little bit conservative on some of the parts. You know, we always listen to see what makes the most difference, but we decided, you know, with this, that we'd go all out with it, because we're not really going to make anything more expensive than these. That's our top end.